So what I'm going to do today is shoot 10 shots on the standard setup here, which is a 10.5-inch inside square and a BHC target, which has a 9-ring black and is really a little too small for the Burris Fastfire 3. The Burris Fastfire 3 sight will overlap this, and you can't see exactly where you are since you've covered up the bullseye. So you can kind of use this square to see if you're centered or not. And then the next thing I'm going to try is a smaller square and see if that makes much difference. And then after that, I'm going to try. We're going to see what difference it makes eyesight wise, because it's eyesight that's always the problem when shooting at 100 yards with a pistol. What I expect to see is this frame here is probably going to be the best because it's the closest to the outline of the red dot. Even if the red dot is a 3 MOA dot, depending on how bright it is, it can look 7 or 8 inches wide. That's the problem. It's not really a 3 MOA dot unless it's too dim to see. Target 1, IMI, 100 yards, P10C, primary machine barrel, CGW internals, with the way I've been shooting. So this is kind of the control target. I'm going to shoot 10 at target 1. Okay, at this intensity, this dot size is about right. The square is too big to be much help. There's a wind out of the north, which is from the left, at about 9 o'clock, 9 or 10 o'clock. It's not too bad right now, maybe 7 or 8 miles an hour. That was good. 1, 2, 10 ring. 3, 4, 5. Okay, so that's 5 in the 9 ring. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. A little high, but that's a good start. Nothing has changed since last week other than it's a little cooler. I think what we'll do is not change anything. Just put up a smaller frame, and that's getting a lot closer to the diameter of the 8-ring target. But it looks from here. Let me look at the dot. Yeah, the dot doesn't quite fill it up. What we're doing now, since the target is turned backwards and I can't see a bullseye, we're essentially just trying to center the dot in the square. And this is the way I shoot at 200 yards. But at 200 yards, the dot's twice as big, and that comes a lot closer to reaching the edges of the square. So, target 2, 10 rounds. Ups. That shot may have been a little low. I got in a hurry. This is a lot less nerve-wracking, and I think it's just because the dot is not, you can't see the dot wobbling across a black bullseye because there's no black bullseye. So basically, you just kind of relax a little and try to keep the dot inside the frame. A little bit to the right. All right. That wasn't very good. So I'd say that's a no-go. Box is too big. Okay. Let's just try it and see. This is third group of 10. This is the octagon. Target 3. Oops. A little high. Okay. The hexagon, I think, will show to be a little better because it did feel a little tighter, but it's still too large. I think we'll go back to the black bullseye. That is better, but 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. They're still skewed and they're biased toward the low and left. So I'm thinking that if we had a square, had an octagon that was even smaller, it would work better. If the contrast is high enough. That's the other problem. I'm not sure the contrast is high enough. So we're back to the small bullseye target, even though we're using the burris, gun with a burris on it, where the dot just same size as the black bullseye. So I think it's just a matter of precise positioning. It's easier to position the dot if it's just covering that. I think it's a 6-inch, I'm not sure. I think I'm just going to go ahead and shoot 10 more while we're here. So this is the second 10, target 4. I'm getting a little tired. That one was probably a little low. Okay, let's go look. No, that's okay. It's definitely biased toward the left, which I don't understand. Okay, I'm going to put up another target, cover a couple of holes, and go 2 right. So this is target 5, and after going 2 right, okay, there's the first 10. I don't think there were too many bad shots in that one. Okay, second 10, target 5. Okay, we're done. Well, that doesn't make much sense to me. I think I'm just tired. That moved them all right, except for a few. There's a bad shot. There's a bad shot. I think I'm just tired. There's a bad shot. Nope, I think we just need to start over tomorrow. I think I used up my good eyesight on the tests.